Trina here, and welcome to our next session of Math Unlocked. Today we're going to be talking about perfect square trinomials. Let's see what that looks like. We have our x squared plus bx plus c. So this is the typical trinomial that we've been looking at, and we've explored different ways how to factor this in our previous videos. However, for perfect square trinomial, there's specific criteria that we have to watch out for our b value and our c value. In particular, if we were to take our b value, divide it by 2, and then square this term, then that has to equal to our c value. If we can find a situation where this works, then we can follow this super easy and quick factoring tip. If indeed our b divided by 2 squared equals to c, then our trinomial factors easily into x plus our b over 2 all squared. Let's look at an example. It will probably clear things up great for you. Okay, what if we were to have x squared plus 6x plus 9? The first thing we need to do is determine whether this is a perfect square trinomial or not. So let's look at our b value. Okay, let's go step by step. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. 3 squared equals to 9. And look at that. That's our c value. That tells us that this is a perfect square trinomial. Now we can apply our quick and easy factoring tip. So all we have to do is take our x plus b over 2, which equals to 3. So x plus 3, and then all squared. And look at that, it's factored. Wasn't that easy? A quick tip, in case you have a negative sign instead, you pretty much follow all the same steps except for you just keep a negative. So if it's x minus 6x, then in your factored form at the end, you're going to have x minus 3 instead of x plus 3. But be careful, we always have to have an addition at the end in order for it to be a perfect square trinomial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'd be happy to go over other examples as well. If you like this video, please give it a like, and I can't wait to see you next time. Until then.